You need to hear this if you've ever wanted to code but didn't know where to start. Imagine building your first app or game in just 15 minutes. Well, sounds crazy, right? But it's totally possible. Here's the secret. Start small. Pick one simple project like a calculator or a basic web page, and use free online resources like Code Academy, Khan Academy, or even YouTube tutorials. They've got step-by-step guides that break everything down into bite-sized pieces. Next, don't stress about getting it perfect. So, coding is all about trial and error. Debugging is part of the learning process. Plus, there are tons of forums and communities where people are eager to help beginners. And remember, coding is like learning a new language. Now, practice a little bit each day, and soon you'll be amazed at what you can create. So, start your coding journey today. Because in just 15 minutes, you could take your first step towards becoming a coding whiz. Ready, set, code?